Hi, my name is Maria. Welcome to In a Nutshell, sponsored by Higher Power Raw Foods. Today we're going to celebrate the Austrian pumpkin seed. And they're actually grown pretty near us in Eugene, Oregon. And they are loaded with vitamins and minerals, so we'll talk about that in a minute. But I wanted to show you these beautiful pumpkin seeds. These are grown in the U.S., as I said, so if they're light in color, they're grown in China. So we're going to start. This is 1 cup of the pumpkin seeds. They have been sprouted and dehydrated, so we're going to throw those in there, and this container holds 4 cups of water. We're going to put that in there, and we're making pumpkin seed milk. And you're going to be surprised. Who would think about pumpkin seed as a milk? And now I use a milk strainer, which looks like this. We got this at our local co-op in Ashland here. And I'm going to proceed to strain the milk, and then I will add the next ingredients. At first you won't think you're going to have more milk than what this container will hold, hopefully. But once I start lifting this up, because there's a lot of pulp left in here, just kind of gently squeeze it and work the liquid out of the bag. And once we get it all out, then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of dates, which is about 2 ounces. And that can be the end of that recipe. I'm choosing to add fresh mint to this, which is delightful as it turns out. So, there we go. I think we're just about there. Now, I always like to throw in, if you make crackers on a daily basis, I like to throw in pulp to my crackers. So I'm going to put this 4 cups, and I did almost make 4 cups. Okay, pour this back in the Vitamix pitcher. And now I'm going to, since I've strained out the pulp, now I will add my dates. And we buy a big box of mushed up dates, but you can use pitted medules or deglet nor. Those are both very soft dates to use. So, and this will give it a slight sweetened flavor, obviously. You can add more if you want it sweeter. I do it to a minimum, and once again we'll blend it. And now I have close to 1 cup of fresh mint here, and fresh picked mint. It still grows this time of the year. That's crazy. Now we'll blend that up. Okie dokie. So if you just want to make the milk, stop before you add the mint, and then you can add if you like other spices in there, you can add that. You can play around with this recipe. That's the foundation, and then add from there and build. But the mint is delightful. It's just a sweet, subtle little taste that is very soothing and comforting. So here we have the mint flavored pumpkin seed milk. Here's to your health. That is really good. You're gonna love this. Trust me. I hope. Anyway, that's that recipe. Now, what's really neat about this is having to do this weekly. I have to come up with these recipes, and they are all my own recipes. And every day I start my day with a green drink. And oftentimes it starts with the banana, and then I put frozen blueberries that were harvested last fall into my Vitamix. And then I add different greens, as you will see here, and then my green powder. And I just don't want to always have the fruit. And today I'm excited because this includes all these different vegetables, and there's no sugar, there's no fruit in this. So let's get started on this great recipe, and you don't have to strain this. So I'll start by adding the 4 cups of water. And I always use filtered water. And then a cup of spinach, which is about 2 ounces of spinach. Two stalks of celery, which is about 4 ounces. And I have about 5 romaine leaves, and everything we do use, by the way, is organic, so keep that in mind. And this is about 5 leaves of romaine. You can see, fills that bowl there. And 5 romaine is about 3 ounces of actual lettuce, if you are weighing this. And then I did prepare cilantro, a bunch of cilantro. I've already washed all of my things. And I'm putting in a cup of the pumpkin seeds. Again, they are sprouted and dehydrated. And I'm going to cut, this is about 1 inch of fresh turmeric. And this is a delightful treat for your joints and just for your circulation, just really nice. And then I'm going to add, I'm choosing to use a cup of lemon juice. It's already been squeezed. And this week I'm using Meyer lemons. They're on sale right now. And I just love the flavor that they offer. So I love the skin. They're so soft. And they're just a little more flavorful than the regular lemons. So get them when you can. They're great. And now we're going to blend all this up and have a treat. Here's a little foam, but beer has foam too. Just kidding. So this makes a lot. And so you can have it all, sip on it all day, or share it with your friends, family. Your kids will like this too, I'll bet. This is, it takes the place of the green smoothies, and you can also add your own green powder to this mix. I didn't today. I would put spirulina, and then I do barley greens, alfalfa, and wheatgrass greens in here. I mix it up, so. But this is good too. Here's to your health and well-being. See? You don't need the banana. Yay! We've accomplished something today, and I owe it to you all. Thanks for viewing today. I look forward to seeing you next week. And also to for your awareness, the Austrian pumpkin seeds provide 9 grams of protein and 2 grams of fiber per quarter cup. That's a lot. So you're really getting a healthy dose. It also has B vitamins, vitamin E, vitamin K, rich in omega-3s, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, manganese, selenium, copper, zinc, and iron. All in this. So who needs to have all of our vitamins when you can do this on a daily basis? Great for your skin. You'll start glowing really soon. Yum. Like us on Facebook and look for our deals. Every month we offer a different gift to you. 15% off this month with $1 off on the U.S. pumpkin seeds on a 16-ounce bag. Also, you can subscribe to our channel, and then you can look at all of our, I think we have 9 or 10 now videos that we've been sharing with you. I look forward to next week. Thank you. Blessings.